In this demo, I will show you how to add a simple custom-made furniture. This is bench seat with a virtual finish by West Elm. We will add this in the house project and place it next to the window. With the project open, start a new furniture family template. The bench is very simple shape, a box basically. Go to create and then we will do extrusion. These dimensions can be rough because we will change them later. Height can be determined in the property window and 4 inches from the floor, and then top up the bench is 19 inches for the comfortable seat. Let's complete the box and check. And now from the top you add dimensions to finalize the size. EQ appears whenever you have more than one dimensions, meaning equal. And now the model is centered so that the rest of the modeling will be easier. Adjust the width. 4 feet 8 inches is the final dimension. And let's add doors the same way. Create an extrusion. This time use a rectangle to draw the shape of the door. The rectangle doesn't have to be accurate because we can always adjust afterwards. Make copies of the door because we need 4 of them. Then from the 3D view, looks okay. Let's add materials. Go to Manage and Materials, and I already have a good candidate. You can create your own and make sure the scale of the material is appropriate. And you can assign material face by face, but a better method is to select the object and then assign the material through the property. Assign same materials to the doors the same way, and you can multi-select objects and assign or change materials at once. Now you see the photo and we are missing some details. Let's not leave them out. The thin ledge over the doors first. A 1/2 inch thick sounds about right. Then we see the door needs to come up a little bit and assign the same material to the new addition. Next, from the front view, let's add a round recessed handle to the door using void form. Once the circle is placed, we need to determine the thickness of the void form. Then cut the void form out to complete. The other doors need to be also upgraded. First, select the box as well as the circle together to make a group before copying them. And using the mirror tool, determine the axis and then make copies. Do the same for the rest of the doors. The bench is done. Remember to save the family first and load it up to the house project. We have now the bench in the house. Once it's settled, we need to rotate and place in the corner of the space and make a copy so that we have 2 benches side by side. This is how they look in the 3D view. Rendering in Enscape is as easy as a couple of clicks. This is the end. We will discuss how to improve the quality of this rendering in the next demo. Thanks for watching.